Nestled in northwestern Europe, the Netherlands is a country known for its picturesque landscapes, charming villages, rich history, and cultural diversity. From the vibrant tulip fields to the tranquil canals of Amsterdam, the beauty of the Netherlands is a tapestry woven with nature, culture, and heritage. The Netherlands is synonymous with tulips. Every spring, vast fields come alive with a riot of colors as millions of tulips bloom, creating a breathtaking spectacle. The Keukenhof Gardens, near Lisse, is a renowned destination where visitors can immerse themselves in the vibrant hues and delicate fragrances of these iconic flowers. The country is crisscrossed with an intricate network of canals, rivers, and lakes. Amsterdam, the capital city, is famously known as the Venice of the North due to its picturesque canals lined with historic buildings and bustling with boats. The reflective waters and charming bridges add to the overall allure, especially during twilight when the city lights are reflected on the water's surface. The Netherlands offers a diverse range of landscapes, from the expansive sandy dunes of the North Sea coast to the lush, green countryside dotted with windmills and farmhouses. The Hoogeveenaway National Park showcases the natural beauty of the country, with its heathlands, woodlands, and diverse wildlife. Amsterdam is a treasure trove of architectural beauty, boasting a mix of styles from medieval to modern. The historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, features buildings with unique gabled facades and intricate detailing. The Anne Frank House, Royal Palace, and Rijksmuseum are notable architectural landmarks that reflect the country's rich heritage. Windmills are an iconic symbol of the Netherlands and have been an integral part of its landscape for centuries. These majestic structures are not only functional but also picturesque, standing tall against the backdrop of a clear blue sky or a stunning sunset. The Kinderdijk windmills, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provide a glimpse into the country's historical reliance on wind power. The Netherlands is renowned for being a nation of cyclists, and this cycling culture is deeply ingrained in daily life. With an extensive network of well-maintained bike paths and flat landscapes, the country is a paradise for cyclists. Biking through quaint villages, picturesque countryside, and along serene canals provides a unique perspective of the country's beauty. The Dutch are known for their commitment to environmental sustainability and conservation. The innovative approaches to sustainable urban planning, renewable energy initiatives, and water management systems demonstrate the country's dedication to preserving its natural beauty and mitigating the impact of climate change. The Netherlands is a land of captivating beauty, where nature, architecture, culture, and heritage blend seamlessly. The tulip fields, historic buildings, diverse landscapes, cultural festivities, and environmental consciousness collectively create a rich and multifaceted tapestry of beauty that continues to awe and inspire visitors from around the world.